Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. Wanted to show you the electrical setup that we have here at the new shop. As I've talked about in previous videos, one of the big stressors is over the last few years is not having adequate electrical service to be able to charge everything, and we ended up having to use a series of hot tub timers to sequentially charge our batteries because we might only have, 2 or 3 15 amp circuits. At the new shop, I had a different type of service installed. I had this 100 amp service ran from the main building, and you can see from that we split that off into 8 20 amp circuits. So each of these breakers corresponds to one outlet. So right here, so we have 8 separate circuits, so we have a lot more capacity to be able to charge stuff. And we still do have to use a few timers, but we're not as nearly as reliant upon them, and we can put less of a load on them. But this is our new electrical setup here at the new shop. You can also see this antenna coming off of it. We bought I'll give you a link in the description, but we bought this smart sensor, which will actually help us track the usage, and it can actually show you how much electricity you're using for each circuit. It works over Wi-Fi. It's called Emporia, and you can actually see how much each individual tool, how much power it's consuming, how much it's costing to actually charge the battery. So pretty cool right there. I'm excited to be able to actually have some data and see how much it actually costs to charge our equipment versus using gas equipment. But I'll link to that in the description. But that's our new electrical setup. I'm excited. We'll have hopefully less issues with having to come in and the equipment didn't charge because the breaker tripped. So we're excited about that. Thanks for watching.